Do you want to learn what colors your chakras are? In this video, I'll share with you the chakra color associations and how to use colors to cleanse and activate your chakras. I'm George Lizos and I empower lightworkers with tools and guidance to find, follow, and fulfill their life purpose. If you're ready to follow yours, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'm also excited to announce that my third book, Protect Your Light, is now available to order globally on Amazon. In the book, you'll learn powerful practices to cleanse, shield, and strengthen your energy so that you can follow your purpose fearlessly. Specifically, you'll get to cut cords to toxic relationships, remove psychic daggers of attack, and learn how to effectively protect your energy online. I'll pop the link for it in the description below so you can check them out. The color of your chakras can say a lot about the chakra's health and therefore about your own physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. When I scan people's chakras as part of my psychic clearing sessions, I always check the color of each chakra to get a glimpse of its general health. The darker or duller the color is, the more blocked the chakra is, and as I guide them through practices to cleanse and activate their chakras, they experience instant shifts in their energy and well-being. In this video, I'll share with you how you can do the same with your chakras too. Before I share with you the chakra color associations, as well as how to use colors to cleanse and activate your chakras, let's first define our terms. Your chakras are wheel-shaped energy portals found in different locations in the center of your body, acting as mediums of communication between your physical and spiritual sides. They look like multicolored lotus petals that whirl at various speeds as they transmute life force energy through the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies. Therefore, they are essential at promoting health in mind, body, and spirit. There are 7 major chakras in your body, each of which governs a different set of physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual parts of your being. These are the root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown chakras. Each of your 7 chakras has its own features and energies and is located in different parts of your body. By the way, I have a 6-part video series all about chakras, during which I explain what each chakra is associated with, how to unblock chakras, how to perform chakra healing, chakra crystal associations, and also scientific facts about the chakras. I'll pop the link of the episodes in the description below so you can check them out. Okay, let's talk about the colors associated with each chakra. Are you ready to take notes? Let's go. The root chakra is associated with the color red, the sacral one with orange, the solar plexus chakra with gold or yellow, the heart chakra with emerald green or pink, the throat chakra with the color blue, the third eye chakra with indigo, and the crown chakra with white or violet. Although these are the most common chakra color associations, you may see different colors within your own chakras, and that's okay and also very accurate. Remember, these are general associations that don't necessarily apply to every single person. Therefore, it's always important to trust your intuition when it comes to these kind of things. What's more important to do is to get a sense of the quality of each chakra's color, as this will tell you the degree to which it's healthy or not, and what you can do to cleanse and energize it. To do so, you have to turn on your psychic vision and use it to scan each chakra. While doing so, you'll get a sense of each chakra's unique color, whether it's dull or clear, bright or dark. And then you can use the color associations mentioned above or other energy cleansing practices to clear and activate each chakra. When it comes to using colors to do so, you can easily use crystals that have the chakra's color and then place the crystals on the chakra for at least 15 minutes to allow the colors and the crystal's vibration to work their magic in your chakras. At the end of the healing session, be sure to use your psychic vision again to scan each chakra and gauge the degree to which the clearing is completed. I'm curious, do you have any other practices of working with colors to cleanse and energize your chakras? Let me know in the comments below. If you're ready to learn how to cleanse and energize your chakras using color to promote healing, make sure to check out my book, Protect Your Light. In the book, you'll learn more about your energy immune system, which includes the chakras, as well as a 7-step process of clearing your chakras from toxic energy cords and other negative attachments. You can get even more guidance on chakra healing in my free Facebook group for Lightworkers, Your Spiritual Toolkit. It's full of trainings, prompts, and guidance from others and myself to guide you on your path. If you feel called to join us, I would love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, Lightworker. I hope you enjoyed this, I hope you've learned something, and I hope you're a step closer to mastering chakra healing. Please let me know in the comments any questions you have, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.